morning class. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine in your home and doing your job in proper manner. So myself Anil Adhikari, PGT Mathematics from APSH, Lamator. And today we are going to discuss our next chapter, which is chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. In 9th standard, you are aware of, you have discussed what is a linear equation in two variables. Okay. So now we are firstly going to recapitulate all the things. What is pair of linear equation in two variables? Then we will discuss what is the content we are going through in the today's video lecture, and we also finish the exercise 3.1 in this video lecture. So this is very important lecture. Okay, so don't miss it and let's start the video. So the very first topic is what is pair of linear equation in two variables. So before I start the writing here, let me introduce you. What is pair? Pair means basically जोड़ा बोलेंगे इसको ना. जोड़ा means if any two things are going to combine, so then these things are said to be as a pair. Okay, so we can also write is two things combined. Linear equation means an equation having 1 degree variable. What is linear equation? I told you what is linear polynomial. A polynomial having 1 degree variable is known as linear polynomial. Same as what is linear equation? An equation in which the variables are of having 1 degree 1. Okay, जिनके डिग्री 1 हो, ऐसे equations को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Linear equation बोलेंगे. Okay, an equation having 1 degree variables are known as linear equation. Now, two variables means like x and y. If there are any two variables like x and y, then you are said to be, this is a pair of linear equation in two variables. So now pair means joda, means if any two things are combined, so it is known as pair. Linear means an equation which contains only 1 degree variables is known as linear equation. Two variables means here in this type of equation you will see there will be two variables which are going to exist here. So the standard format of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard format of linear equation in two variables. You can clearly see here x and y are two variables. Okay, and here a, b, c are constants. Okay, and also a comma b does not equal to 0. Both will not be equal to 0. Okay, and one more condition is there, a square plus b square does not equal to 0. So these are some conditions which we have to keep in our mind. कि अगर कोई equation, if any equation is a linear equation in two variables, then these things must be satisfied. That is, a, b should not be both equal to 0, and a square plus b square does not equal to 0. So this is basically the standard format of linear equation in two variables. What is the standard format? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b and c are constants. Okay, maybe some real numbers, and x and y are two variables. Okay, now see, this is linear equation in two variables. Now we are talking about pair of linear equation in two variables. So pair of linear equation means now you are not having only a single linear equation in two variables. Here in this chapter we will talk about pair of linear equation in two variables. And when we are talking about pair, then we are talking about a joda. Joda means we are talking about two equations, not only a single equation. Okay, so the pair of linear equation will be represented as pair of linear equation in two variables can be represented as, the first equation will be written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the another one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now you can see these are the pair of linear equation in two variable. Now you can check here, there are two variables existing in both the equation, and the second thing is x y, both variables are of degree 1. दोनों वेरिएबल की डिग्री कितनी है यहाँ पे 1. That's why both equation are known to be as a linear equation in two variables and having degree 1. ठीक है? So basically we will talk about this kind of equation over here. What is the solution of these equations, and what will be the condition when what will be the condition for the intersecting lines, parallel lines, and coincident lines. Okay. So before I start the solution of linear equation in two variables, pause the video and take the screenshot. So what did we learn from here? An equation which contain two variables of degree 1 is known as linear equation in two variables. Okay, for example, 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus y plus y is equal to 0. So you can take a lot of equations over here as an example of linear equation two variables. The main condition is the variables should be 2 and the degree of both the variables should be 1. So such kind of equation is known as linear equation in two variables. And if we are talking about the pair of linear equation in two variables, then we will talk about the pair. Okay? Pair of linear equation in two variables. So here we will talk about the pair of linear equation in two variables. So for example, x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, and another one is 2x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you can check here, this is a pair of linear equation two variables. एक equation here है, let it be 1 and let it be 2. So such kind of pairs in linear equation of two variables are known as pair of linear equation two variables. So we are going to define such kind of equations over here and the solution of these variables. So there are two methods of solving such kind of equations. The very first is graphical and second is algebraical. So first we will talk about graphical solution, and then in next video we will talk about the algebraic solution of such kind of pair of linear equation in two variables. So now we are focusing on what is the solution of linear equation in two variables. Okay, what is the solution of linear equation in two variables? So solution of linear equation in two variables. So when we are talking about the solution, okay, suppose for example, I am taking one example, 2x minus 4y is equal to 8. Okay, let it be an equation. Okay. So when I am talking about the solution of linear equation in two variables, this is a linear equation having two variables and both are having of degree 1. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Now if we are talking about the solution of this linear equation two variable, so I am looking for the values of x and y. I am looking for the values of x and y for which the equation gets satisfied. Okay, I am writing here the solution of linear equation in two variable, the solution of linear equations in two variables is the values of variables x y, है ना. If the equation is given in the form of variable x y, then you will find the values of x and y. And if the linear equation in two variable is given in the different variables, suppose करिए कहीं पे u v में दिया हो, कहीं पे s t में दिया हो, तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वेरिएबल्स कि कौन से वेरिएबल्स के फॉर्मेट में इक्वेशन दी है. अब यहाँ पे हमने जो इक्वेशन ली है वेरिएबल x एंड y में है, तो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट x एंड y. So the solution of linear equation in two variable is the value of variable x and y for which the equation gets satisfied. Okay, the equation gets satisfied means left hand side and right hand side both should be equal. Get satisfied means I am writing here within the bracket, left hand side must be equal to right hand side at that point. Okay, so such pair of values of variable x and y are said to be the solution of linear equation to variables at which the equation gets satisfied. It means the left hand side of the equation must be equal to the right hand side of the equation. And graphically what we will talk about it, अगर कोई linear equation in two variable है and we are plotting the graph of it, ठीक है, we are plotting the graph of it in the xy plane, then the set of all points which are lying on the line are known to be a solution of that particular line. For example, graphically अगर मैं बात करूं, let it be x, let it be y, let there be a line. Let there be line. This is y minus x is equal to 0. Okay, this is the line y minus x is equal to 0. You can check here. This is a linear equation in two variable also. So what are the solution of this particular equation? Solution of this particular equation are the set of all points which are existing in this line. The set of all points which are existing in this particular line are known to be the solution of this particular line. Okay, जितने भी points होंगे इस लाइन में एग्जिस्ट कर रहे होंगे, जो जितने भी पॉइंट्स, infinitely many points which are existing on this particular line are the solution for this particular given equation. ठीक है, ग्राफिकली ऐसे समझेंगे इसको. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ. सपोज करिए यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट 1 है, यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट 1 है, तो इसको इधर को मिलाया हमने, ठीक है, इसको यहाँ मिलाया, तो ये जो पॉइंट मिला यहाँ पे लेट इट बी पी 1,1 कोऑर्डिनेट हो गया इसका, x एक्सिस 1 y एक्सिस 1. सो आप चेक कर सकते हैं क्या ये इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ y एंड x हियर. सो p 1,1. So equation क्या है, y minus x is equal to 0. ठीक है, this is the linear equation in two variable. Now satisfy this point. So value of y is 1 minus value of x is 1. Now see, left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, so you can talk, you can say that in graphically method, what are the solutions for a linear equation in two variables? The solution for linear equation in two variables in graphically are set of all those points. I'm writing here graphically. Okay, graphically I am writing here what is the solution graphically. The set of all points, the set of all points which are lying on the line, are called solution of the particular equation. Are you getting my point? Graphically, what are the solution of any linear equations in two variable, or you can say the line? So graphically, the set of all those points which are existing, or you can say which are lying on the line, are known to be the solution for the given line. A solution for the given linear equation in two variables. And graphically, this is graphically, and algebraically, how we will conclude the solution of any linear equation in two variables? Algebraically, the values of x and y, for which the equation gets satisfied are known to be the solution of the given equation. Okay, algebraically the values of x and y for which the equation gets satisfied. Equation gets satisfied means the left hand side and the right hand side must be equal. For example, यहाँ पे मैंने एक linear equation दिया हुआ है two variables में 2x minus 4y is equal to 8. Now I'm checking here some points. पहला 1, 2 पे चेक कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. उसके बाद 4, 0 पे चेक करिए. Now see whether this equation satisfies this point or this point. Now check it. So 1, 2 पे अगर हम इसको चेक करें तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देखिए इसका, ठीक है. 2 into what is the value of x? 1 minus 4 times what is the value of y? 2. So see 2 1 ja 2 minus 4 2 ja 8. So 2 minus 8 that is minus 6. Now see your right hand side is 8. ठीक है, राइट हैंड साइड इज 8, so there must be 8. हमें 8 चाहिए था but unfortunately यहाँ पे minus 6 आया. So this is not the solution for this given linear equation. Now see at 4, 0, ठीक है. Now substitute left hand side 2 times x. What is the value of x? 4 minus 4 times y. 4 times what is the value of y? 0. So see 4 to the 8 minus 4 into 0 0. We get the value 8. Now see the right hand side is also 8 and the left hand side is also 8. So 4, 0 is a solution for this given linear equation in two variables. So basically I hope you are getting my point. What is the solution for any linear equation in two variables? The solution for linear equation in two variables, if you are talking about algebraically and if we are talking about graphically, then there are two other things. So I am writing here on conclusion way. I am concluding both the things. So solution for linear equation in two variables. Number 1, algebraically, and number 2, graphically. So algebraically, what is the solution? Algebraically, the values of variables x and y for which the equation gets satisfied means left hand side is equal to right hand side at that point. ठीक है. So algebraically, what is the solution for linear equation to variable? The values of variables x and y, the values of variables x and y for which the equation gets satisfied. It means left hand side must equal to right hand side at that point. So these points are called the solution. And graphically, the set of all points which are existing on the line are said to be the solution of linear equation into variables. I hope you are getting my point. So pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay. Okay, see now the next. Now see, there are three cases. Okay, there are three cases. Pair of linear equations. This is first case, second case, and third case. So first case, the pair of linear equations will be parallel lines, whether it can be intersecting lines, and the third case, these are coincident lines. if you have given any two lines, or you can say pair of linear equations in two variables, then there must be three cases arises. Only three conditions are arises there. Okay, although you have learned, you will also learn number of solutions, how many number of solutions can have if you have given a pair of straight line. So we will discuss it in the next video. Okay, so right now, if we have given a pair of linear equation in two variables, then the very first case, the lines may be parallel lines if there is no any point exists which are in contact with both the lines, or you can say in the other word, if the distance between both the lines are constant throughout the journey. जो भी जर्नी ये दोनों लाइंस आपस में ट्रेवल करें, इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इन द राइट हैंड साइड, but the distance between both the lines should be constant, then such pair of lines are known to be parallel lines. Second is intersecting lines. So any two lines, okay, a pair of straight lines are said to be intersecting lines if they are intersecting at some point. Okay, it means that if they are having only one unique solution, and here in this case there is no solution. You can check here solution क्यों नहीं है भाई, because solution कब मिलता है, कोई दो लाइन जब एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेगी किसी पॉइंट पे या टच करेगी तब आपको सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्यूशन मिलता हुआ दिख रहा है, ये दोनों कहीं पे इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. दीज लाइन्स आर नॉट इंटरसेक्टिंग एट ऑल. इफ वी आर ट्रेवलिंग देम, अगर ये दोनों लाइन ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं टिल इंफिनिटी टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड साइड, सो देयर इज नो एनी चांस दैट दीज लाइन्स विल बी इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. कोई चांस ही नहीं है. व्हाई? बिकॉज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम इज कांस्टेंट. That's why there is no solution. In the case of parallel lines, there is no solution. Why? Because both lines never meet each other. Both lines never intersect each other. And in case of intersecting line, there is only one unique solution. Okay? There is only one unique solution, not more than one, because they are intersecting at only one point. And in case of coincident line means if any two line are overlapping one another, okay, एक दूसरे के ऊपर से क्या है, टच करती हुई जा रही है, ओवरलैप कर रही है. सपोज करिए दिस इज द क्या बोलेंगे इसको, इरेजर. ठीक है, ये व्हाइट बोर्ड को साफ करने वाला है. ठीक है ना. सो डस्टर, और डस्टर के ऊपर से मैंने ये आपका एक मार्कर रख दिया. सो यू कैन सी दैट डस्टर एंड मार्कर आर कोइंसिडेंट टू ईच अदर, है ना. दे आर लाइन वन अनदर. ठीक है ना. तो इस तरीके से अगर कोई दो लाइन है, दे आर ओवरलैपिंग ईच अदर. ठीक है ना. दे आर ओवरलैपिंग ईच अदर मीन्स ये पहली लाइन है, दूसरी लाइन भी इसी के ऊपर से जा रही हो. ठीक है, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे इनको, कोइंसिडेंट लाइन. और कोइंसिडेंट लाइन में क्या है, एक लाइन दूसरी लाइन के ऊपर से चिपकी हुई रहती है, तो देर आर इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. तो देर आर इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस. ठीक है, बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशन वहां एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, ये तो ग्राफिकली बात होगी कि कैसे हम समझेंगे. अगर एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करें तो देयर इज ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. और अगर एक दूसरे के पैरेलल हो देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन. एंड अगर एक दूसरे के ऊपर से ओवरलैप कर रही हो, कोइंसिडेंट हो, तो इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन. क्योंकि बहुत सारे पॉइंट ऐसे हैं जहां को टच कर रहे हैं, और मोस्टली हर पॉइंट पे ही टच कर रहे होते हैं वो. ठीक है ना. तो अब अलजेब्रिकली हमें कैसे पता चलेगा, इफ यू हैव गिवन एनी टू इक्वेशन, सपोज वी हैव गिवन एनी टू इक्वेशन, पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the next one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So these are two equations, or you can say pair of linear equations. So algebraically how we will get to know that whether on watching, ठीक है, on behalf of watching the equations, how can we know that the equations are, whether these are the parallel lines, or whether these lines are intersecting, or whether these lines are coincident. और दूसरे शब्दों में, अगर मुझे कोई दो पेयर ऑफ लाइंस दिए हैं, ठीक है, पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन दिए हैं, तो अलजेब्रिकली मैं उनको देख के कैसे पता कर पाऊंगा कि वेदर दे हैव वन सॉल्यूशन, इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन, और नो सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, तो बेटा अगर पैरेलल है तो नो सॉल्यूशन, इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है ओनली वन पॉइंट पे तो यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, एंड कोइंसिडेंट है तो इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन. तो अलजेब्रिकली कैसे पता करेंगे, देखिए पैरेलल लाइंस के केस में मैं बात करूं पहले, दूसरा मैं बात करूंगा इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस, and the third one is coincident line. ठीक सो पैरेलल लाइंस, चेक बेटा, पैरेलल लाइंस के केस में क्या हो रहा है, लेट दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट लाइन, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of second one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. अब आप मुझे बताइए क्या a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 कहीं पे भी किसी भी पॉइंट के इक्वल हो सकते हैं क्या? मतलब ही नहीं है कहीं के इक्वल हो जाए, ठीक है। ये पॉइंट जो है x और y मुझे कोऑर्डिनेट देते हैं, x और y मुझे सॉल्यूशन देते हैं, तो ये पॉइंट तो कभी एक होने से ही रहे। तो इस कंडीशन में, पैरेलल की कंडीशन में क्या होगा बेटा, a1 अपॉन a2 नेवर बी इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2। सिंपल सा लॉजिक है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना। द रेशियो ऑफ a1 अपॉन a2 इज द रेशियो ऑफ a1 एंड a2 नेवर बी इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ b1 एंड b2, मीन्स a1 अपॉन a2 डज नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इन केस ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस। अगर लाइन पैरेलल है तो a1 अपॉन a2 बराबर नहीं होगा किसके, b1 अपॉन b2 की। सेकेंड, इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स के केस में क्या होगा, a1 अपॉन a2 सॉरी थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग हो गया बेटा, a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 डज नॉट इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2, ओके, डज नॉट इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2, ठीक है। नाउ इन केस ऑफ इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस a1 अपॉन a2 डज नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2, ओके, a1 अपॉन a2 डज नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इन केस ऑफ इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस, एंड इन केस ऑफ कोइंसिडेंट लाइंस a1 अपॉन a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, ठीक है। This is the case when we get infinitely many solutions. Algebraically I am telling you, if we have given pair of linear equation two variables, then we can compare that, ठीक है, हम कंपेयर कर लेंगे उनके a1 a2 b1 b2 और c1 c2 को, और अगर कंपेयर करने पे रेशियो तीनों का क्या रहा वो इक्वल, देन दे आर कोइंसिडेंट लाइन एंड हैविंग मोर देन इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन। एंड इफ a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, अगर ये इक्वल नहीं है, then they are having only one unique solution because the lines are intersecting lines. And in first case, parallel lines, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but does not equal to c1 upon c2, then these lines are called parallel lines. And you all know, in case of parallel lines, there is no solution. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot of it. So, this is the case when we get no solution. This is the case when we get unique solution. And this is the case where we get infinitely many solution, okay? So in this video I have discussed all the theoretical part, and I will also provide you the PDF of these content, the PDF of these notes, and in next video lecture as well as the Google Meet. Tomorrow I will take the Google Meet, okay? Then I will discuss the questions from the exercises, okay? Till then you have to watch this video and try to solve some questions. You can solve the examples of this particular chapter on behalf of your own knowledge, okay? And later on tomorrow when I will take the Google Meet class, I will discuss all these things on behalf of the questions. I will solve the questions, I will solve the examples also, and I will show you how to solve the questions graphically and algebraically. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.